Hi everyone, in this video I wanna answer you for a few questions what I got about can we level over the vinyl tiles. First of all, I want to ask you, can you leave comments and thumbs up, because I really need it. So here is when I check the level with straight edge. I found the high spot and there was big gap bump. First of all, I remove some tiles and then grind down this bump. It's still this side of the room was higher, and most of room was sloping down to the balcony door. That's why when I grind down this hump, I also remove all side of tiles, you see. And I left bitumen because with primer for floating floor, if you put primer, it will be, very good bonding. For floating floor it's good enough. So I apply primer. I didn't show, but if you see some white tiles and there is a place where I grinded, it's a little bit pinky because I put T primer. T primer is pink, and it's very easy. It's a good idea from the Mapei company when they did some coloring of primer. When you apply primer, you see where you put it. So then I use Mapei Novoplan self-leveling compound to put it over. So I did skim coat around 1/4 inch, somewhere it was 1/8. I didn't use tripods. I used just a squeezer to spread the self-leveling compound. Why I put around whole the room? Because some sides was empty because tiles was unstick from the bitumen, and after when I apply self-leveling compound, I roll it out, and self-leveling compound spread everywhere the same. You see no reflection. It's really good leveling I did. So when it's dry, I will show you how it's good. So you see, now I'm using in this project spike shoes. Sometimes I'm not using, sometimes I use. So you see, here is a straight edge I put. It's pretty good. It's no any empty spots. Nice and good leveling after I install laminate floor. So if you have any question about this project, ask me. I always answer you. See you on next video.